How to make Carolina Reaper hot sauce. 5 garlic cloves. Grate the garlic. Then chop a red onion. Put some butter in a pan. Fry the garlic and the onion until soft. Some carrots. Grate the carrots. Come on, just grate them. Yeah. Then add the carrots. Fry a while. 2 deciliters of water. Simmer until soft. Reach for the protective gloves. Use 3 Carolina Reapers. Cut them in half. Remove the seeds, because those are the really hot ones. Mince them. Add a pinch of salt. Cool it down in the sink. Put it in the blender. Add the Reaper. Add a lime. Chop it. Squeeze it. Add it. Vinegar. Add it. Blend. Blend. Come on, blend, blend, blend. Bottle it. And that's how you do Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Yeah. Let it cure in the refrigerator for a week. Then enjoy. Don't forget to push the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Bye now.